Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. I'm gonna show you how we do a beautiful, nice string bean salad with pesto sauce. I just picked this from the garden and we're gonna make a beautiful salad with it. Now we are steaming it until it's nice and tender to your liking. So for the salad we're gonna need a little bit garlic. We're gonna have a little bit of salt here. Pepper and some olive oil, and of course we're gonna have this homemade beautiful pesto sauce. Here we are. The beans are nicely steamed and totally cooked. We're gonna add the pepper, some salt to your taste, add some little olive oil. Okay, we mix it together. We add garlic to your taste. Maybe 1 clove of garlic is good enough. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice as well. That's optional, it's up to you. We mix it together. Okay, after we add the oil, the lemon, little salt, little pepper. Actually, this is a beautiful salad right now. I mean, you can just consume it just like that and it's delicious. And now, but we're gonna add a little bit of basil sauce to it because we like basil, which is pesto sauce. Okay, now we're adding some basil to it. And we mix it together. Here we are. We added the pesto sauce to it and we tasted it. It tastes really, really delicious. Nice, freshly picked from my garden, and it tastes beautiful, nice and crisp, and the freshest taste. Delicious. Okay guys, I hope you make it and let me know. And here we are. I'm serving this with beautiful baked salmon, and we have a beautiful organic pasta salad here with sauteed mushroom and caramelized onions with it. It's a beautiful dish, and enjoy.